Message is that we need to diversify the food. Okay, so God give us everything, all the fruits, all the vegetable, all the this what do you call, different type of foods. Okay, so as a human being, so we need to diversify the food. Now, certain food are very good in nutrient. First, of course, algae, spirulina. Okay, second category, of course, is the mushroom. You see, what's the difference between mushroom and a vegetable? Vegetable, normally they can contain 10 to 20 type of active element, but every mushroom contains 300 to 400 type of active ingredient. You see? Then this fermented food. Fermented food like this juice, everything, we ferment it with certain bacteria, everything. So these are the, and another category, this bean sprout. Okay, we spot the brain. So these are the few categories that we try to promote to people so that we can have a health food. Hopefully that we can promote this spirulina throughout India and eventually throughout the whole world. So thank you very much.